If I told you that you can acquire English without memorizing grammar rules and without putting pressure on yourself, would you believe me? Today, I'm going to share with you the fastest and simplest way to acquire the English language, the method that truly changes one's level. Welcome everyone, I'm Iman Mohammed, and this is my channel, Learn English with Iman Mohammed. Let's begin and say Bismillah. Everyone wants to speak English fluently. So, I bring you some 5 points for you to show you how to acquire and get the English language easily. The first point is lots of listening. Lots of listening, this is the input. The first and most important steps is listening a lot. This is called input. Listen to English every day, even if you don't understand 100%. Your brain will naturally start connecting words with their meanings. The second point is repetition. Listen to the same clip more than once. The human brain loves repetition, and that is what makes the language stick effortlessly. The third point is speaking, and this is the output. After you listen a lot, you must speak, even if it's just 2 words. Good morning, how are you? The important thing is to speak, because this is the moment when the language comes out of your mind and becomes a skill. The fourth point is don't memorize. Just understand. Don't exhaust yourself by memorizing 50 words a day. Learn only 5, but use them. Using the words is more important than memorizing them. The fifth point is daily exposure to English. 5 minutes of English every day is better than 1 hour once a week. To sum up, there were the most important steps that will help you acquire English easily and without pressure. Always remember, gradual learning, repetition, and continuous listening are the keys to success. If you want more videos about pronunciation, speaking, or simplified grammar, write to me in the comments and I'll prepare the best content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Learn English with Iman Mohammed, so you never miss anything new. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.